What's good, guys? Welcome back to another review video. Now, since I've started this channel, I have reviewed some of the best slim fitting t-shirts, but I know not everyone likes their t-shirts to fit slim, and I know there's a lot of people who want to venture into like the oversized look, so I am here to help out with that. So the first brand I wanted to try was H&M because they had an oversized fit and then they also had a relaxed fit. So I have a couple different styles in each of those. So I'll be trying them on, giving my thoughts, and then rating them as I always do at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first t-shirt we're gonna start with is the one I'm wearing right here. I have it in two different colors and two different sizes. The gray one is a size small. The one I'm wearing, this white one, is a size medium. So this is the oversized cotton t-shirt. 100% cotton, super heavy. It's like, I think it's 240 grams per square meter, they call it, GSM. So, I'll show you that up close. Now the difference between the oversized and the relaxed is not too much in like the size difference. This one does have like a higher collar, which I don't prefer. I would prefer it didn't have that, but I'll go ahead and back up, show you the way this one fits. Okay. So again, this is the size small. I am 6 feet tall, about 170 pounds now. I've been gaining some weight, taking creatine, so. So you'll notice this one is basically snug on the arms. Okay, those two I just tried on were the only oversized fit. The remaining shirts are going to be the relaxed fit. In addition to that, these are all size medium now, no more smalls. So right away I can feel a difference between this shirt and the first shirt. The first one was very stiff, super high quality and like thick and premium, but at the same time stiff. This one feels a lot more like stretchy, but it is also 100% cotton. If you guys have ever tried Robert Baraket, something like that, it feels exactly like that. It's like pretty thick. It feels like almost like Pima cotton. Really high quality. For H&M, I'm very surprised. These are, I think, $17.99 per shirt. So, but I am pretty impressed with the way this feels. So I'll back up here, show you how this one fits. Okay, this color is really nice. I really like this one. Sometimes I like to fold up the sleeves, just like one little fold, like that. Yeah, like this one is way more comfortable than the first one. Would recommend this one over the first one for sure. And also, you'll notice that the neck is not quite as high. It's more like a standard t-shirt. So I have saved the best for last. This one is definitely my favorite of all three. This one is still relaxed fit, but this is called the terry t-shirt. So it's made out of terry cloth material. Try and show you that up close. It's kind of like a towel. It's super cool. Really like that. But on the inside, it's not. It's more cotton, like a cotton feel. It almost feels like modal though. It's like really soft. So definitely comfortable. It's not quite as stretchy as the second one. It's a little bit more stiff, but not even close to as stiff as the first one. So I will back up so I can show you this one. Okay. So they only offered 2 colors in this one. I got both, and if they offered more colors, I'd probably grab all of them. I just really like this one. And I have been wearing it with this folded up right here. I just like the way that looks a little bit better. So I just wanted to compare the 2 different fits. I have the relaxed in the front, and then the oversized is here in the back. And as you can see, they are virtually the same. Same length and everything. The arms, basically the same. So not much difference there. I say the only difference is really in the collar. Okay, that's gonna bring us to our ratings. So first up, I will talk about the oversized cotton t-shirt. Now this one is definitely the most stiff, like I said, of the 3, but at the same time, it feels by far the most durable. I can see this thing lasting like a lifetime. I probably washed it, well, the gray one at least, I've probably washed it like 5 times already, and it keeps getting softer with time. It's like starting to feel really, really nice. But at the same time, it's not quite as comfortable because it doesn't like move with your body as much. So depending on what you're looking for, this could be it. These do have that higher neck. So for me, it's not my ideal t-shirt. I don't really like it riding up like that. So I'm going to give this one a 7.3. Okay, next up we have the pocket tee, which I'm wearing right here. I just have it in 2 different colors. This is the relaxed fit one. So as I mentioned, this one is definitely the most like comfortable. It moves with your body really easy. It's pretty stretchy, although it is still 100% cotton. And the cotton actually feels really nice. It feels, I said this earlier, but it feels like a Robert Baraka t-shirt, and those are like $50, super premium. It's like a Pima cotton, but it feels identical to that. So I'm actually very impressed just because H&M, they have like nice looking stuff, but the quality is never that good. But like I like how they're trying to like incorporate like premium products. Like a t-shirt that's $18, that's a lot for H&M. So I'm willing to pay that much for a product like this. One of the only things I'll say that I'm not sure how long it'll last, like the collar seems to be one of the ones that will stretch out easy and like maybe start to like, I don't know, like bake in a little bit. We'll see as time goes on. But these also do like stretch out as you wear them, and then when you wash them, they'll like shrink back into size. By the way, I don't think I ever mentioned this, all 3 of these do shrink, but since they're oversized, you don't really notice it too much, and I actually think they fit better after the wash than they do before. So the rating for these is going to be a 7.9. Okay, and last but not least, we have the relaxed fit Terry t-shirt. These are my favorite of the 3, just because they're very unique, very similar to the one I'm wearing right here. The only difference I would say is in the neck. It has like more of a snug neck without actually riding up too much. It's not quite as stiff as the first one, the oversized fit, but it's not as stretchy as this one. So it is comfortable, and I think you guys are gonna like it, especially the inside. It feels really soft, almost like a modal, which I love. That's one of my favorite materials. My only issue is that they only come in these 2 colors. They actually make a polo with the exact same material in different colors as well, but for some reason the pocket tee only comes in these 2, which sucks. If they had more colors, I would buy them, but I'm going to rate this one like an 8.2 out of 10. I think next on the list will end up being Uniqlo for oversized tees. People swear by them. I know they have like a cult following, so I'll definitely try those out and see what I think. But that's gonna wrap this one up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any recommendations on any of this like oversized, they have to be plain though. I'm not a logo guy. So any kind of plain oversized tees that you guys really like and want to share, let me know. But I will see you guys next week with a new one. Later, guys.
She snapped me the snippet. Well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that.